me for that. It's just my controller, dumbass.
No, it's not.
No, I'm still putting my headset in the microwave.
Talent show, come over here. Talent show. Where's the talent show guy? Did you just put your headset in the microwave? How are you on Twisty like that? Yeah. He's moving. How are you on Twisty?
Bro, why is he always watching? Bro, why does it look like he's always watching me?
And then orange. Yeah, you can tell that's fake. You can't. What was
Oh my
that?
He put his headset in the microwave.
Spam report.
Are you a god?
Look,
Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh.
my
Are you
screen
a
is
god?
all burnt.
No. I'm a girl. Yeah, I
going
said,
on?
are you a god? Because I'm a
I
god
can't
too.
see my screen.
Hey, you're walking into
You have
a wall.
pretty good name.
You just walked into a tree.
I'm really good at running.
What is this?
It's the mute
Am I
button.
pressing something?
Yeah, you're pressing the map button. You're muting all stuff. You're not muting us though. You're pressing that one mute button on that tree.
Raisin.
Oh my god, his head. I caught this on. Ow! What the? What happened to bro? Bro, what happened to him? What happened to bro?
Bro, I just put my headset in a microwave. That was not a fun experience.
Oh my god. Put it in the microwave again. Put it in the microwave again.
Anybody know how to do only up?
I don't want to.
Oh, come on.
I can't even see my screen.
Do anybody know how to do only up? Yeah, boy, you know
You
how
have
to
to
do
go into the arcade, dumb dog.
L-I.
Oh, for real? Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, bro. I love you.
I
You have to use the VR headsets for it.
Bro, I
Thank you,
recorded
bro. I
that.
really
I
appreciate
recorded
it.
that, bro.
Yo, hold up. I got that outfit. I actually do. Oh, let me take off my rings, bro. Hold on. I got the cake. Where's the badge? Where's the badge? And I got the she badge. Yo, where do you go?
How long has
I know
this?
how to get to virtual stump if y'all follow me.
Yo, hold on. Let me put back on my stuff.
I know how to get to...
The fact he actually
Yo,
put his headset in the
I think
microwave.
everyone knows.
Yo,
Instead
let's
of
get in
using
the code
that
and do it.
turn.
Yo, join the code T.
T?
Yeah, join the code T for only up. Yeah, I'm gonna be...
I know that, but I went into the code and it was just me. What? I'm trying to get it.
I forgot to stop recording.
Oh, that jump scared me.